This is Tamaya Robles from FixMyCreditNow850.com. I am the owner of FixMyCreditNow850.com. Right now, I'm just doing a short video showing you guys the benefits of getting a trade line on your credit report. So I have a client that she's had no credit when she came to me. She came to me about I want to say 2.5 weeks ago. Little to no credit. I think there might have been a negative item on her credit report, if that. But she wanted to get a bunch of credit cards, but she didn't have enough credit on her credit profile. So I wanted to show you what getting a trade line can do in a very short amount of time. So this is her credit profile. And like I said, she came to me like 2-3 weeks ago. So today is June 21st. May 29th, you can see her credit score is 496. And as of June 17th, her score went up to, it looks like 655. So we could take a look at this a little further. Let me see. There you go. All right. So if you look at the previous changes, you can see where she got that credit score increase. So here, May 29th, she was at a 496. And then when her trade line hit, it jumped 159 points, which is great. All right. So that's her TransUnion. Let's see what it did for her Equifax. All right, Equifax is here. I won't look at the chart too long, but you can see obviously her score jumped tremendously. Now the scoring system is different with each credit bureau, but here, May 3rd, she was at a 565 with Equifax. And then when her trade line hit, it jumped her up 84 points. Like I said, short amount of time, which is really good. Depending on what you need a trade line for, you want to pay attention to what type of trade line you purchase. I usually walk my customers through that. So if they're trying to just get credit cards, you don't need a whole bunch of years. So the trade line that I got for her, it was a Discover card. It did not have a lot of years on there, but which is fine to go from 0 to 3, almost 3.5 years. That was great. She didn't need a huge line of credit. So I just got her a Discover card with perfect payment history, as you can see. Let's take a look. $3,000. Had a $3,000 credit limit, which is great. So again, to go from 0 credit to $3,000 credit, that's the results. These are the results you're going to get, which is amazing. So yeah, if you're interested in getting a trade line, definitely let me know. I sell trade lines. I have access to over 600 trade lines. You have to be payment ready. The reason why is because we get a new list. Like I get a new list of trade lines every day, but they go fast. They go really quickly. But anyway, if you're interested or if you have any more questions, definitely hit me up. You can set up a free consultation on my website, which is fixmycreditnow850.com. I'll talk to you guys soon.